Share a Fun Fact. Welcome to Let Me Share a Fun Fact, your go-to channel for fascinating and mind-blowing trivia from all corners of the globe and beyond. Today, we're diving into a collection of incredible facts that will leave you amazed and eager to learn more. From the animal kingdom's unique traits to quirky historical tidbits, and from the marvels of nature to curious scientific discoveries, we've got it all covered. So sit back, relax, and get ready to impress your friends with some truly astonishing knowledge. Ants never sleep. Ants are fascinating creatures with some surprising habits. One of the most interesting facts about them is that ants never truly sleep. Unlike humans, who need regular periods of rest, ants have cycles of rest where their activity levels decrease significantly. They enter these periods of reduced activity frequently throughout the day but never fall into a deep sleep. Instead, ants take short breaks, during which their bodily functions slow down, but they remain semi-alert. This behavior allows them to maintain constant vigilance over their colony and respond quickly to any threats or changes in their environment. These tiny powerhouses are always on the move, working in unison with their fellow ants to forage for food, care for their young, and defend their nest. The absence of sleep as we know it is a testament to their incredible adaptation and efficiency as one of the most successful species on Earth. Earth once had a supercontinent. Imagine a time when all the continents we know today were joined together in a massive supercontinent called Pangaea. This colossal landmass existed around 335 million years ago, during the late Paleozoic and early Mesozoic eras. Pangaea began to break apart about 175 million years ago, leading to the formation of the continents as we recognize them today. The existence of Pangaea had a profound impact on the planet's climate, ocean currents, and biodiversity. It allowed for the widespread distribution of plants and animals, which later evolved separately as the landmasses drifted apart. The theory of plate tectonics explains how the Earth's lithosphere is divided into plates that move over the asthenosphere. This movement is responsible for the constant reshaping of the planet's surface, a process that continues to this day. The story of Pangaea is a reminder of the Earth's dynamic nature and its ever-changing geological landscape. Starfish don't have brains. Starfish, or sea stars, are mesmerizing marine creatures known for their unique appearance and incredible regenerative abilities. One of the most intriguing aspects of starfish is that they don't have a brain. Instead, they possess a decentralized nervous system that allows them to function and survive in their aquatic environments. This nervous system is spread throughout their arms, enabling them to coordinate movements and respond to stimuli without the need for a central brain. Each arm contains nerve cells that communicate with one another, ensuring the starfish can move, find food, and avoid danger. This decentralized system also plays a crucial role in their remarkable ability to regenerate lost limbs. If a starfish loses an arm, the remaining nerves can adapt and regenerate a new one, sometimes even resulting in the growth of an entirely new starfish from a single arm. The brainless starfish showcases the incredible diversity of life forms and the various ways organisms have adapted to thrive in their environments. Full moons have different names each month. The full moon has been a source of wonder and inspiration for centuries, and different cultures have given it unique names based on the time of year and natural phenomena. Each month, the full moon carries a distinct name, often derived from Native American and European traditions. For instance, June's full moon is known as the strawberry moon, named after the strawberry harvesting season. October's full moon is called the hunter's moon, reflecting the time of year when hunting was essential for gathering food for the winter. These names not only highlight the cyclical nature of the moon but also connect us to the agricultural and cultural practices of our ancestors. Other examples include the wolf moon in January, the worm moon in March, and the harvest moon in September. Each name carries a story and a piece of history, reminding us of the deep connection between human life and the rhythms of nature. Glass is made from sand. It's fascinating to think that the clear, smooth glass we use every day originates from simple grains of sand. The process of making glass involves heating sand, primarily composed of silicon dioxide, to extremely high temperatures until it melts and transforms into a liquid state. This molten material is then cooled and solidified into glass. The transformation is a result of breaking down the crystalline structure of the sand and reforming it into a non-crystalline, amorphous solid. This process, known as vitrification, has been used for thousands of years, with ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Mesopotamians mastering the art of glassmaking. Today, advancements in technology have allowed for the creation of various types of glass with different properties, used in everything from windows and bottles to smartphones and optical fibers. The journey from sand to glass is a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to harness natural materials to create versatile and essential products. The Smurf Costume World Record. In 2008, a quirky and colorful record was set in County Monaghan, Ireland, when 2,762 people gathered to dress as Smurfs, the beloved blue cartoon characters. This event, organized by the town to celebrate a local festival, aimed to break the world record for the most people dressed as Smurfs in one place. Participants donned white hats, blue body paint, and other Smurf accessories to create a sea of blue that brought the fictional village of Smurf Village to life. The effort paid off, earning them a spot in the Guinness World Records and bringing a sense of joy and community spirit to the town. This whimsical achievement highlights how people can come together in fun and creative ways to celebrate popular culture and create lasting memories. The record set in Ireland remains a testament to the enduring charm of the Smurfs and the power of community events to unite people in the pursuit of something delightful and extraordinary. Dolphins have names. Dolphins are incredibly intelligent creatures with complex social structures and communication systems. One of the most fascinating aspects of their behavior is that dolphins have unique names or signature whistles that they use to identify and call each other. Each dolphin develops its own distinctive whistle shortly after birth, which it retains throughout its life. These signature whistles function much like human names, allowing dolphins to recognize and address specific individuals within their pod. This remarkable ability highlights the sophisticated level of dolphin cognition and social interaction. Studies have shown that dolphins can remember the signature whistles of other dolphins for many years, demonstrating their long-term memory and social bonds. The use of unique whistles not only facilitates communication but also plays a crucial role in maintaining the cohesion and cooperation within their groups. The world of dolphin communication continues to intrigue scientists and animal lovers alike, showcasing the extraordinary capabilities of these marine mammals. Tongue prints are unique. Just as fingerprints are unique to each individual, so too are tongue prints. Every person has a distinct pattern of grooves and ridges on their tongue, making it a highly personalized identifier. Unlike fingerprints, which are commonly used in security and forensic applications, tongue prints are less well known but offer similar potential for identification purposes. The uniqueness of tongue prints is attributed to genetic and developmental factors, ensuring that no two tongues are exactly alike. Researchers have explored the possibility of using tongue prints for biometric identification, given their high level of uniqueness and difficulty to replicate. This discovery adds another layer to our understanding of human individuality and the diverse ways our bodies can be used for identification. While it may not be as practical or widespread as fingerprinting, the concept of tongue prints underscores the incredible complexity of human biology and the many facets that contribute to our uniqueness. The Hawaiian alphabet has only 13 letters. The Hawaiian language is unique in many ways, not least of which is its remarkably simple alphabet. Consisting of just 13 letters, the Hawaiian alphabet includes 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and 8 consonants, H, K, L, M, N, P, W, and the okina, a glottal stop represented by an apostrophe-like symbol. This minimalistic alphabet reflects the phonetic nature of the Hawaiian language, where each letter corresponds to a single sound, making pronunciation straightforward and consistent. The okina plays a crucial role in distinguishing words and altering meanings, adding to the richness of the language despite its brevity. The Hawaiian alphabet was standardized in the 19th century by American missionaries, who adapted the Latin script to suit the sounds of the native language. This simplicity has contributed to the preservation and revitalization of Hawaiian, which remains an integral part of the cultural heritage and identity of the Hawaiian people. The compact alphabet also highlights the linguistic diversity and adaptability of human communication. Onions were used as currency in the Middle Ages. In the Middle Ages, onions were more than just a staple food, they were a form of currency. Highly valued for their culinary and medicinal properties, onions were traded for goods and services and used to pay rent and other debts. This practice was particularly common in parts of Europe where onions were an essential part of the diet and difficult to cultivate in certain climates. The value of onions as currency underscores their importance in medieval society, where access to fresh, nutritious food was often limited. Onions were not only a vital food source but also believed to have health benefits, such as warding off infections and providing vital nutrients. The use of onions as currency is a fascinating example of how societies adapt to their resources and circumstances, finding innovative ways to trade and sustain their economies. It also highlights the multifaceted role that food can play in human history, extending beyond mere sustenance to become a valuable commodity. The sailfish, ocean's fastest swimmer. The sailfish, known for its distinctive sail-like dorsal fin, holds the title of the fastest swimmer in the ocean. Capable of reaching speeds up to 68 miles per hour, 110 kilometers per hour, the sailfish can outpace many marine predators and swiftly capture its prey. This incredible speed is facilitated by the sailfish's streamlined body, powerful muscles, and retractable fins, which reduce drag as it moves through the water. When hunting, sailfish use their speed and agility to herd schools of smaller fish, often using their long, spear-like bills to stun or injure their prey before consuming them. The sailfish's remarkable speed and hunting prowess make it one of the ocean's most formidable predators. Its ability to accelerate rapidly and maneuver with precision showcases the evolutionary adaptations that have enabled the sailfish to thrive in its marine environment. This astonishing swimmer is a true marvel of nature, epitomizing the beauty and power of the ocean's wildlife. Bats, the only flying mammals. Bats hold a unique place in the animal kingdom as the only mammals capable of sustained flight. Unlike flying squirrels and other gliding mammals, bats can truly fly, thanks to their specialized wings, which are made of a thin membrane of skin stretched over elongated finger bones. This wing structure allows bats to maneuver with exceptional agility, making them adept hunters and efficient travelers. Bats use echolocation to navigate and find food in the dark, emitting high-frequency sounds that bounce off objects and return as echoes, providing a detailed map of their surroundings. This ability is crucial for their nocturnal lifestyle, enabling them to catch insects and avoid obstacles even in complete darkness. Bats are incredibly diverse, with over 1,400 species found worldwide, ranging from the tiny bumblebee bat to the large flying foxes. Their role in ecosystems is vital, as they help control insect populations and pollinate plants. The unique flying abilities of bats highlight the incredible adaptations that have evolved in the mammalian world. White chocolate isn't really chocolate. White chocolate is often loved for its creamy, sweet taste, but did you know it's not technically chocolate? Unlike milk or dark chocolate, white chocolate doesn't contain cocoa solids, the key ingredient that defines real chocolate. Instead, it's made from cocoa butter, which is the fat extracted from cocoa beans, combined with sugar and milk. This absence of cocoa solids means white chocolate lacks the characteristic chocolate flavor and color. Despite this, it still has a luxurious, melt-in-your-mouth texture that many people enjoy. The history of white chocolate dates back to the 1930s when it was first introduced by Swiss chocolate maker Nestlé. While it may not satisfy the purists, white chocolate has carved out its own niche in the world of sweets, often used in baking, confections, and even as a complementary flavor in various culinary creations. Its unique composition and smooth taste continue to make it a favorite among dessert lovers. A chameleon's tongue is twice its body length. Chameleons are well known for their color-changing abilities, but another remarkable feature is their incredibly long tongue. In some species, a chameleon's tongue can extend up to twice the length of its body, allowing it to capture prey with astounding speed and precision. This elastic tongue is powered by specialized muscles and a bone at the base, which act like a catapult to launch the tongue forward. The tip of the tongue is equipped with a sticky, suction cup-like structure that grips onto the prey, usually insects, and reels it back into the chameleon's mouth within a fraction of a second. This rapid-fire hunting technique is essential for the chameleon's survival, enabling it to catch food from a distance while remaining relatively hidden from predators. The impressive length and functionality of the chameleon's tongue are perfect examples of the fascinating adaptations found in the animal kingdom. Generating electricity with lemons. It might sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but you can generate electricity using lemons. This simple yet intriguing experiment demonstrates the basics of how batteries work. By inserting a copper nail and a zinc nail into a lemon, you create a chemical reaction between the acidic lemon juice and the metals. This reaction generates a small electrical current, which can be detected with a voltmeter or even used to power a small LED light. Each lemon acts as a single cell in a battery, and by connecting multiple lemons in series, you can increase the voltage. This experiment is a popular educational tool to introduce students to the principles of electrochemistry and the concept of renewable energy sources. While a lemon battery won't power your household appliances, it's a fun and eye-opening way to explore the potential of everyday materials to produce electricity. Butterflies can't fly when cold. Butterflies are delicate and beautiful creatures, but they have a fascinating dependency on temperature for their ability to fly. These insects require a body temperature of around 86 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 degrees Celsius, to be able to take to the air. If their body temperature drops below this, their muscles become too sluggish to function properly, preventing them from flying. This is why you often see butterflies basking in the sun with their wings spread wide, as they are absorbing heat to raise their body temperature. In cooler climates or during the early morning hours, butterflies may remain inactive until they can warm up sufficiently. This temperature dependence is crucial for their survival, affecting their ability to escape predators, forage for food, and find mates. Understanding this aspect of butterfly biology helps us appreciate the delicate balance these creatures maintain within their ecosystems. Cats can't taste sweetness. Cats are known for their finicky eating habits, and one reason for this is that they can't taste sweetness. Unlike humans and many other animals, cats lack the taste receptors for sweet flavors. This unique trait is due to a genetic mutation that affects their taste buds, making them indifferent to sugary foods. Instead, cats are obligate carnivores, meaning their diet is primarily composed of meat. Their taste buds are more attuned to savory and umami flavors, which are abundant in proteins. This evolutionary adaptation ensures that cats seek out and consume the nutrients they need to survive. While it might seem like they're missing out on the pleasures of sweet treats, their dietary preferences are perfectly suited to their nutritional needs. So, the next time your cat turns up its nose at a sweet snack, remember it's not just being picky, it simply can't taste the appeal of sugar. The word scientist was coined in 1833. Before 1833, individuals who studied the natural world were known as natural philosophers. The term scientist was introduced by William Whewell, an English polymath, to describe a new breed of thinkers who employed empirical methods to investigate natural phenomena. This new designation marked a significant shift in the approach to studying the natural world, emphasizing observation, experimentation, and the scientific method. The coining of scientist reflected the growing distinction between the speculative nature of philosophy and the empirical rigor of science. Over time, this term has become universally accepted, encompassing a wide range of disciplines from physics and biology to chemistry and astronomy. The introduction of the word scientist helped to professionalize and legitimize the field, fostering a sense of identity and community among those dedicated to advancing our understanding of the universe through systematic inquiry and evidence-based research. And there you have it, folks, some of the most intriguing and fun facts that showcase the wonders of our world. Whether it's the fascinating abilities of animals, the surprising details of everyday objects, or the rich tapestry of our history, there's always something new to learn and marvel at. If you enjoyed these fun facts, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community here at Let Me Share a Fun Fact. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends, because who doesn't love a good fun fact? Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video!